Hello and welcome to My Digital Quill. We are on Chapter 2, Customizing Numeric Formats in our Excel module on Formatting Techniques. In the presented sheet, we are seeing some unusual formats. In most of organizations, you can relate that there is a certain numeric style or form which goes with the employee's number. Also, phone numbers have a specific format system which distinctly places them in the area they are assigned for. Please pull up your exercise files from the description link below and let us get started in reviewing on how to work with this data. Let's assume that we want to format the numbers in column B with a specific style because it's traditional in this organization to display the ID with 3 digits, a dash, and then 4 digits. For example, in the first entry there, we have 6629650. But rather than typing dash in each row of the column, let's apply a format here. We go to column B, Format Cells, that we press Ctrl 1. We go to Customs category, and we see a variety of options here. Let's not worry about these options right now, but let's do the following. So we want the format of the cell to look with 3 numbers, a dash, and 4 numbers. So at the top beneath the word type, we have an editing panel here. Simply highlight this or start over. I'm going to put in 3 zeros, a dash, and then 4 zeros. Each zero here stands for a character position. So if I click OK, notice how the format has changed here. And if I want to go and edit it, the dash is gone now, so it's in the format. In column C, we might use the built-in formats. If you're not aware of it, right-click column C. We'll jump into Format Cells. Under the special category, we see phone numbers. Unfortunately, there's no preview for here to show you. But if I press OK, you see how the format for phone numbers has changed in column C. Again, if I go inside the cell, just as we saw in column B, this is just a format. Now, what if you do see formats like we see here in column E? Are you going to repeatedly use periods and asterisks and so on? Not necessarily. Let's say you like this entry in column E. Click one of them, jump into Format Cell using Ctrl 1. Here too, not very obvious, but we see a format is general followed by asterisk and a period. Well, that doesn't quite tell us anything yet. But anytime you see an asterisk in a format, the character following the asterisk is the character that will be repeated throughout the remaining width of the cell. Let's say we like the entry in column E, but we want the periods on the left-hand side. So let's just take them from the right-hand side and paste them on the left-hand side. And now click OK. There it is. And we see some other examples here too, where asterisk is repeated. If we go in Format Cell and review the format setting here, there are a few examples I've covered in this worksheet for you to review as well. Copy the format, you see, do some experimentation on your own. Quite a few choices available here for you.